on projections of points. How to solve the problem by using AutoCAD software. You just go to AutoCAD software and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So first we will go for the limits command and make it specify lower left corner 0, 0 is the default, and the upper right corner you make it 297, 210. Then go to zoom, enter all. So the moment you just click on the line command and select any arbitrary point on the screen by clicking on the first button of the mouse, and as the ortho mode is on, so you can draw only horizontal and vertical line, and you take the cursor and there is a rubber band line which is coming out, and then you just click on the second position or the next point from the screen by clicking on the first button of the mouse. Again, you drag it to the top side and then click on the first button of the mouse and just press enter key. Then go to offset. First, we are going to draw the A2 size, A4 size sheet and type 297, enter. You select this line and offset it by 297. Again, offset, take 210, type 210, and you select this horizontal line or offset to the top side. Then go to zoom and type extend. Extend, E is the capital letter, so you type E and then zoom, enter 0.7x, 70% of the display, and then go to fillet and set the radius as 0. It is already set. Click on the vertical line and then this horizontal line. Similarly, fillet between these two and fillet between these two. And then go to the text, put the caps lock off and specify the start point. Take the height as 4, rotation angle as 0, and you type 12 problem. A point is lying on HP. A point is lying on HP, comma 20 mm behind VP, and 35 mm behind slash in front slash from RPP. Draw its projections and name the side view. Now we go for the layer command and create one more layer by name XY, because we have projectors and layer. Enter. Then go to layer. In that, go to line weight and set the line weight as 0.13 and say OK. And in layer 0, you make this layer as 0.05 mm thickness. You say OK and then close this. So go to line command, then draw the horizontal line. Consider any point and draw the horizontal line, and then similarly consider one more line of x1 y1 line and drag this. So here we want to write it as HP and VP and RPP. So zoom window, bring it near to your screen and go to the text. Put the caps lock on. HP in the top above XY line and VP below XY line and RPP adjacent to VP here below XY line. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode and move it wherever you want as required. So you place it here and you place it here and you place it here. Then we need to do offset. Take the distance as 35, enter, select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Similarly, offset, take the distance as 20, type 20, select this line and offset it here. Then go to line, take intersection of this origin and take at the rate 50 less than 45. Then go to line command, draw a line from intersection point to perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this and this, between this and this. And then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim till here. So then go to break, select this line and offset it, break it till here, select this line, break it till here, select this line and break it till here, select this line, break it full, and then from here to here. Then go to erase, 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 and erase these lines. Now we will go for donut. Take 0, type 3 outside diameter, and take the center of donut as the intersection of this point, then intersection point of this, and then intersection point of this. Then go to select these two lines and change that to layer. Go to layer and make it as XY line so that thickness will become 0.15. Then go to DDIM. Go to DDIM and go to modify. Click on lines and make it offset from the origin as 3. Then go to symbols and arrows. Then make the arrow size as 4. Then text, you come down to 4. Then centered vertical above, align with the dimension line, offset from the origin is 3, and say go to primary units and make it as 0 and say OK. Go to close. Then now we go to dim horizontal, take center of this, take intersection of this, and keep the dimension as 35. Then dim vertical, take center of this and take center of this. So you're going to get 20. Then dim angle, you select this line and this line and give the angle as 45. Then go to detext, then go to click here and mark this as X and Y by keeping the caps lock on, and make this as X1 and this as Y1. Then go to move, select this, move it here and go to X1 and move it here, so this Y, and similarly you move this as X. And go to dim leader, take nearest point, put ortho on and drag it, and go to annotation, options and none. Similarly nearest, select this and draw a vertical line, annotation, options and text. Similarly leader, take center of this, put the ortho mode off, and then again click here and then ortho mode on and annotation, options and then none. N. Go to explode, select this line and select this line and select this line. It's not required. So go to erase, erase this line and erase this line. Then go to copy, select this and take nearest point on this and then perpendicular to this line. So now we have the arrowhead, and this is RSV, type RSV, enter. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing, and then go to save, go to appropriate drive and the directory and type P12 and then save it. So this is how we can create the drawing in AutoCAD.